dangerous surf and even tropical storm conditions with some squally winds and weather expected here in the Outer Banks. I'm meteorologist Jen Carfagno. I'm live in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina tonight, and I've been up and down the Outer Banks looking at the different areas of impact in this stretch of the Outer Banks, say from Duck through Kill Devil Hills through
A tropical storm warning and a high surf advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 80 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. For today, overcast, high 81, winds east-northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour, coastal flooding possible at high tide. For tonight, windy with periods of rain, low 77, winds north-northeast at 25 to 40 miles per hour. On Thursday, tropical storm force winds expected, windy with scattered showers, high 82, winds could occasionally gust over 70 miles per hour. And Thursday night, cloudy and windy. Winds north at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour early. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Rick Knapp. We're going to start here in the Delmarva, Dr. Knapp. We'll work our way northbound here and give us the forecast for each location here, because storm surge, as we've already seen,